Welcome back to our channel. Let's test your knowledge on the electricity basics. What does a battery provide in an electric current? Light, heat, energy. A battery provides the electrical energy that makes current flow. What happens when a switch is turned on? The current is broken, the current is complete, the battery stops working. Turning on a switch closes the current, allowing current to flow. What happens to the bulb if the current is open? It glows brightly, it flickers, it does not glow. An open circuit stops the current so the bulb cannot glow. Which material is a good conductor of electricity? Plastic, copper, rubber. Copper allows electric current to pass easily through it. Which part of an electric current converts electrical energy into light? Battery, bulb, wire. The bulb charges electrical energy into light energy. What does a switch do in a circuit? Changes the battery, opens or closes the circuit, increases voltage. Switch helps control to the flow of current by opening or closing the path. What type of circuit allows current to flow through more than one path? Series connect, parallel connect, closed circuit. In a parallel circuit, current flows through multiple paths. If one bulb does not glow in a series circuit, what happens to the other? They glow brighter, they also go out, they stay the same. In a series circuit, one break stops current in all bulbs. What type of energy transformation happens in a bulb? Electrical to light, light to sound, heat to mechanical. Electricity is changed to light energy and some heat in a bulb. What do we call the path through which electricity flows? Conductor, circuit, battery. A circuit is the complete path through which electrical current is travelled. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.